Hello and welcome. It is the 11th of July, or almost the 12th at this time, as we'll take a look at some buy orders that I like or that I have placed in the Bittrex site. And these are ones that I didn't go over because TradingView doesn't have these charts. I don't like on this site how I can't have a default setting, which would, well, they give you the 30-minute to start, but I would like the daily. I would also like to have the moving averages in here. So for this situation, I could put it in one time. So I first put the settings in for 18 high weighted with the blue color and create that. And then do it again, 18. I do the high first, low second. It's just tedious to do this over and over and over again. And then this is what a linear chart looks like. This is what a log chart looks like. Let's get some more periods. There we go. So there's the ant shares on a log scale, and this is it on a linear scale. Such a big, big, big difference. All right, how I'm playing this. Previous low. So that's around 18. I know it's been in that area, but it's been continuous red candles down. So I think it's going to head towards that mark as an area where I can get a little bounce from. And then again at around 15, which represents a 38.2% down move from this low and this high. Let's move on to the next one, DAR. And what's worth noting is the volume. I totally don't blame people for staying away because you can get hit in situations where you have so many buy orders that hit, like 5 or 6 of them. You'll see, oh, DAR hits a little over 5,000. And yeah, that's where my buy order is, just a little over here. But you'll see it hits. And then you notice you had like 4, 5, 6 other ones hitting all in like a 5-10 minute gap. And then you notice, oh, I bought this at 5 and it's down to 32. You bought another one at 170 Satoshi, it's at 101. Because, oh, this has been listed off the market. That's been listed off the market. So these are some of the risks to be associated with and buying some of these codes. But with these charts, even with 5 Bitcoin volume, I'm confident enough where if I buy here, I can sell within this previous congestion area for about a 100% gain up to. MUE monetary unit, this one is next, and 16 and change, a little over 1600. Below 1654 and above 1600 is where mine is placed, so in that range. As you have a situation where you have a key level of support, a decent enough rally, and that sure heck is enough to be decent both via price and time, that if it rolls over, there's at least a decent chance that this is going to be an area where it should A, stop going lower, thus a great place to buy, and then if it's bullish, well, it's obviously a good buy spot. And if it's bearish, oftentimes you can buy here. Maybe it goes up to 27, 3,000, even 38, and then it's going to roll over later on. So that's why I look for spots both bullish and bearish, and I think this is one for MUE. PTC, 4.5 Bitcoin volume, very low. But I'm going to try it anyway. 38.2% down correction is a little over 300. Right around that number right there. That's where I have a buy order. Feathercoin is next, FTC. And I like where it's played out. A bottom a little over 2,000 is perfect because a 38.2% down correction is around 1,750. And that's a decent enough of a push that maybe 1,700 might be a better number, 1,705, 1,710, maybe in the high 16s. But I'm going to go 1,750, realizing that I got a trading gap up about 25, a big support level. It looks like it's falling from it, but if it falls and bounces later, that's probably where it will go to. And if I'm buying 17 and selling 25, that's about a 50% margin gain. And we're looking at another 38.2% correction. This is Siberian, and SIB is the code, and 37 represents the area of about a 38.2% down correction. I like its size gap from here to this previous low, that if it breaks below it, that's probably in the area of where I think it'll bottom at. And then, of course, you got the area to sell starting in and around the 47 handle.